Hi there, this is Spencer with Zima Software. Today's tutorial is going to show you what tools you have available as supervisor to manipulate your agent activity and your state and to give you full visibility as to what your agent is doing and what you want them to do. So for context, I have highlighted two screens. The screen on the left is my Contact Center agent client. This is me as an agent signing in to Contact Center. Currently, I'm on Do Not Disturb, and if you look over on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll notice that it says D&D Lunch. Spencer Porter is currently on D&D Lunch, and that's reflective over here, as it's noticed that I'm not available. Okay, now let's say that I know he's not at lunch. Supervisor looks around the office and sees him over there talking to his neighbors. I have the option here to force him into a ready state. I simply click on the ... for the agent and click on Disable CCD&D. It's going to put them into a ready state. Notice that it's reflective on the left-hand side. I'm ready, I'm blue, and also on supervisor view as well, where it says that I am ready. Additionally to this, let's say I want to put them back onto Do Not Disturb. I can do that right here. Enable CCD&D, puts me in D&D, and it reflects over here on the left-hand side as well. Now, let's say that I want to keep him off of D&D, but I want to kind of control a bit about what he's doing here when it comes to skills. Okay, I'm ready to go. Let's go here to Manage Skills. I'm currently part of Skill 1, but not part of Skill 2. I want him to be able to take calls for Skill 1 and Skill 2. I'm now enabled for both of those skills. Notice the skill login count now shows 2. Alternatively, I can do the same thing except in reverse order. Let's say I don't want him to take calls for Skill 1. Okay, now that's going to reflect appropriately in that way. I have option to have him as part of Skill 1 and Skill 2, or Skill 1 only, or Skill 2 only, etc. The second to last thing here, manage channels. If you have more than one multimedia channel, in this case we have voice and chat on Zima CCast, I want him to take voice calls only. I do not want him to call chats on the website, so I'll disable that as well. Now, Spencer Porter is only available to take calls, no chats, for both skills, and he's ready to go right now. Now, last thing here to point out is, let's say he forgets to log out of his Contact Center agent client at the end of the day. I have the option to go down here and click Log User Out. It's going to say Log Out was successful on our screen right here. Now, if you wait a few seconds, it's going to pop out over there on the other side as well. Notice that Spencer has been logged out. It reflects the state here, as well as Contact Center agent client has been logged out over there. This concludes and shows you what options you have available as supervisor to control and manipulate your agent states and to really see what they're doing and when they're doing it.